Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete a card in Trello. So let's have a look now. Open Trello and go to the board containing the card you want to delete. Locate the card you wish to remove. Right-click on the card, then select Archive. Now, to delete the card, click on these three dots. It will open the board menu. Then select Archived Items. Find the archived card and click Delete to remove it permanently. So, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.